Hello and welcome. My name is Aaron Hale and this is Tips and Tricks with ProPricer. We'll be covering useful tips and tricks in ProPricer that'll help you leverage your time better and get things priced. Today, we're going to be talking about ProPricer's Audit Report feature. The Audit Report will allow you to spot anything on your proposal that may be out of place, inaccurate, or just wrong. We recommend running the Audit Report on every proposal before it's submitted to ensure all the numbers are correct. The Audit Report, which is located on the right side of the Reports tab on the ribbon, will allow you to check for any problems with rate overrides, CERs, travel estimations, formulas, and activities. If there are any mistakes, the report will show you where they are located. The items under the Audit Report are dynamic and are based on the proposal you have selected. Notice every time I select a different proposal, the Items to Audit section updates automatically. The checkboxes indicate which items the report will audit. The more you use the Audit Report feature, the more familiar you will become with knowing which items you should most likely audit. To start, I would recommend leaving all the items checked. After your items have been selected, the next step is to click Print to Screen button, located here at the bottom of the page. Please note that there are other options to run this report. However, we recommend this view because it provides you with the best display and visibility of the selected items. After you run the report, you will be able to view how ProPricer breaks down the different sections for each audited item. It's important to know how the audit report behaves, as well as the best ways to utilize it, because it can help prevent surprises that would otherwise be hidden in the proposal. Hopefully, this will help you sleep better at night after submitting that proposal. In summary, the audit report will allow you to locate common errors with just the click of a button. Simply press the Print to Screen option and you will immediately be able to view all your audited items listed in separate sections. The audit report is a powerful tool that will give you peace of mind and confidence in knowing you have provided all the right numbers. If you thought this video was awesome and helpful, please share it with any of your colleagues that use ProPricer. If you or anyone on your team have questions about ProPricer, we will be more than happy to answer them for you. If you have any tips and tricks of your own, I would encourage you to post them in our community forum on the ProPricer support site. Or you can email them to us directly and your tip might make it into the next video. Again, my name is Aaron Hale, and as always, thanks for watching.